Sir Isaac Newton introduced us to this concept, often stated as, an object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion with the same speed and in the same direction unless acted upon by an imbalanced external force. In simpler terms, it's a law of inertia. Objects prefer to maintain their current state, whether it's being at rest or moving at a constant speed in a straight line. This preference isn't laziness. It's the inherent nature of matter. Consider a book on a table. It stays there until you apply a force such as pushing it. The same goes for a moving car. It will continue moving unless a force like braking or friction slows it down. Now, here's the crucial part. It takes an external force to change an object's state of motion. Without that force, things happily persist in their current state. This idea is the cornerstone of Newton's first law. So, the next time you see an object at rest or cruising along without a care in the world, remember Newton's first law, the law of inertia.